Hello friends, hope you're all well and staying indoors. I would like to share with you a tea that is helpful in feeling better when you have flu, any of its symptoms, and in preventing colds and flus. This tea is a decoction of herbs that have been used in India and Ayurveda for centuries that are warming for the body. The herbs build body's defense against colds and flus and help to manage symptoms like sore throats, runny nose, and coughs. So, you will need a small pan, 1 cup of water for 1 cup of tea. You can scale the quantity up as required. A sieve, some pieces of ginger or grated ginger, cardamom, cloves, peppercorns, turmeric, lemon pieces, and honey. Pour water into the pan and boil. You can add all of the herbs. Ginger is an anti-inflammatory and warming herb. Cardamom helps with clearing congestion. Cloves and peppercorns to taste. Cloves and peppercorns are healing and warming for the body. When it starts to boil, brew the herbs well. If you don't have some of these herbs, you can use whichever ones you do have at home from this list. Boil and brew well. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, that is an anti-inflammatory, and boil for a further minute. Strain the herbs. You can choose to leave the herbs in if you wish to give it a strong taste. Add 1 or 2 pieces of lemon. Lemons are naturally high in vitamin C. And some honey to taste. Honey is a natural antihistamine. Stir well and enjoy your tea in one of your favorite spaces at home. Wishing you health and happiness. Bye.